as I'm so obsessed with tassels, I'm going to show you a second type of tassel. So what you do, again, snip 3 pieces of string. You can cut 10 or 2, doesn't matter how many. It just depends on how skinny or how chunky you want your tassel to be. Just for this example, I'm going to take 3 pieces of string, roughly the same length. Then I'm going to line them up and tuck them under 2 strings that are on the loom. Pull through. Now I'm going to join the ends together and wrap it around my fingers, creating a loop. Now stick the ends through the loop, pull the ends nice and tightly, and you create a very nice chunky knot tassel. That's it. Line up all the strings so they're all even and flat. And then you just pull it down, and there you have your tassel. To finish it off, get your scissors and your hairdressing skills and snip away. Don't cut your fingers. And you have a beautiful tassel. Lovely. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more craft tutorials.